Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can complete the pre-market teaser tags on Paws. Paws now have a new tags that you can do in order to get more Paws token. You can see it right there under the limited section. You can see it there. So what I'll do now is to go ahead now to complete these tags. So let me tap on start so I can start the process. You can see where the arrow is pointing. So let me tap it. So now the next step now is to choose your browser. So let me choose my Chrome browser since I have it in my phone. Let me tap on Chrome. Right now you can see it's directing me now to the Paws website. The Paws website is opening. Let's just wait for a few seconds. You can see it's loading up. Right now I'm on the home page of the Paws website. So what I have to do now is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top left corner. You can see the menu icon right there. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. That's where you have to tap on. So let me tap on it. Now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the third option, which is written Premarket. That's what you have to tap on. So let me tap on Premarket real quick. Now you can see what's written here, Premarket info. You need to be eligible for Paws drop in order to access this page. The Premarket page will be available soon. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see got it. So let me tap on got it. So guys, this is all that you need to do in order to complete the pre-market teaser tags. So what I have to do now is to go back to the Paws mining app on Telegram. So let me go back right away. Let me go to the Paws mining app on Telegram. You can see now it's taking me back there. So guys can see now my Paws mining app is opening up. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Now I'm the home page of my Paws mining app on Telegram. So let me go over to the end section. Let me tap on end right away. You can see it there. So guys, now you can see it right there. It is not showing claim. So what I have to do now is to claim it. But in case you can't see claim right there, in case you can't see the claim button right there, what you can simply do is to reload this Paws mining app. And you can do it by tapping on the three horizontal dots at the top right corner. You can see there. What you have to do now is to tap on reload page. You can see there, that's the second option. Once you reload your Paws mining app, this claim button will be able to show. There you can tap on it to claim. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on claim to claim mine. You can see now I've claimed it already. So guys, this is how you can complete the pre-market teaser tags on Paws. See you in the next upload. Bye.